Hello and welcome to Santino's Mangia. Today we have a special guest with us, Nonna Yolanda, my mom. She's going to teach you how to make the Sicilian Arancini rice balls.
Okay, hello everybody. I'm going to make a real arancini siciliane oggi.
Okay.
And mettere acqua, chicken base,
Water, chicken
Water.
base. How much chicken base, Nonna?
1 spoon.
1 tablespoon?
Yeah, and safferano.
And
Because the
saffron.
rice, they have to cook, they have to be gold, yellow.
So we have it already boiling here, the water.
When the water boil,
Yeah.
you put the rice. Maybe 2 cups, depends how much arancini when you make.
And we gotta stir it up.
Maybe not 2 cups, yeah. And let it to cook. Maybe 20, 15 minutes, depends on the rice. Put the salt. A little bit of salt, Kisa.
How much salt do you need?
Depends on the way you like. I do like this. Like that. And then the stir again. Now, before you take the rice on the stove, you put a little bit of butter, 2-3 little pieces of butter. But you have to be the rice very dry. And then you take on the stove and put a little bit of Parmigiano cheese and mix nice. We're gonna show you.
So we
when-
show you later.
We show
Okay.
you later. Okay?
Okay. What is that?
Tomato. Take the tomato.
Did you put tomatoes in there?
No, was a little bit of tomato sauce, but was a piece of tomato. I take it out.
Allora, che ci hai messo in italiano?
Adesso quando è cotto ci metto un po'
Ma ci hai
di
messo
burro,
prima, ci hai messo il riso.
riso,
Sa-
one tablespoon,
Italiano.
un cucchiaio di chicken stock, di pollo, and quando è tutto cotto ci mette 2-3 pezzettini di burro, margarina, and quando lo toglie dalla stufa ci mette formaggio. E poi lo fai mantecare tutto insieme e lo mette in una lana quella per fare la pizza, quando lo metti proprio là, nice, lo stende nice e lo fai raffreddare. Quando è freddo incomincia a fare arancini, poi vi facciamo vedere come si fanno gli arancini.
Grazie. This
Before
one.
you take it out on the stove, put
Yeah.
2 spoons the butter or margarine, whatever you like. And then mantecare di nuovo. Finché non c'è più acqua, non c'è più niente. No
Until
water
there's no more
anymore.
water,
No
no
more
nothing.
water.
Right?
Yeah.
2 cucchiai di burro.
Yeah. Now, fry onions,
And garlic.
garlic, olive oil. And when the onions fry, you can put the ground beef. You can do half a pork, half ground beef. Mix.
Half pork and half ground and half beef.
Half beef, yeah. Okay, now I put about 2 tablespoons of the Parmigiano cheese and di nuovo del mantecare. Turn and then all mix. Quando è finito,
When it's finished,
when it's finished, put them on a plate, a big one, make it flat, and then let it to be cold. And then we're gonna,
like on a cookie sheet.
yeah, on the cookie sheet or whatever, yeah.
So we got the
Basil.
onions and garlic that are going here. We got our tomato sauce, homemade sauce here.
from our garden tomatoes. Huh, Nonna?
Yeah.
Now Nonna's getting the ground beef. You're gonna put in there now? Now you're got your ground beef.
With the garlic
Putting in
and
with the
the
garlic and
onions.
the onions and a little bit of basil. I see you
And a
put
bit
here.
of basil. And when it's cooked, put them in the sauce. Spaghetti sauce.
Now you put all the rice on the cookie sheet.
Facciamo ancora il riso.
Huh?
Yeah.
And what are we gonna do with that? We're gonna cool it off.
Cool it off and then we're gonna make arancini.
So we're gonna make that cool off then, right? How cold do you have to have
And
it?
put a little bit of the sauce when you cook the rice. To come a little bit more red, the rice.
So that's why it's this color right
Yeah,
now,
you
right?
have to be
You
just
put
like,
outside there, it'll cool off with no time.
yeah. Now the meat is just about fry. We're gonna put peas. The frozen one, no one on the can.
Not the
then-
canned one, the frozen
No.
piece.
And let it to fry for a little bit together. Adesso friggere tutto insieme. Okay, now this meat that's dry because we take all of the
You
fat,
strained it.
we strain it,
Yeah.
and then we put the spaghetti sauce. And let it to cook about for 5-10 minutes.
And it's
together.
called sauce, not gravy, right?
No gravy sauce.
They call it gravy
No,
in New
that's
York.
not gravy.
It's a
Gravy for me,
sauce.
don't want the meat. That's
right.
spaghetti
Gravy
sauce.
for the meat. That's
Tomato
right.
sauce.
That's right.
That's tomato sauce.
Look at that, beautiful.
Yeah, you have to be real red. Look beautiful. And put a little bit of Parmigiano cheese too. When that's done, take the mozzarella, a little piece. When that's cold, the meat have to be cold to put them in arancini.
To put them inside the rice. So we're not
Inside
there
the
yet.
rice, yeah. And then the mozzarella have to be like a little piece, cut a little piece, and put them inside to the meat together. Okay, when that's done, put the basil,
Fresh basilico.
fresh basilico. Let's see.
So some nice fresh basil.
And let it to cook about another 5-10 minutes.
Okay. And you're gonna stir it up and let it cook 5-10 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna do the eggs. You need 3 eggs, breadcrumbs. How much breadcrumb? 1 cup?
1 cup, depends how much you make.
And we have our rice that's been cooled off,
Okay.
mozzarella cheese.
Now we start to make arancini Siciliani. Okay, dip your hands in the water. Take the rice. Put in your hands like this. And then put the meat like that. Mozzarella cheese. Put some more rice. And then you make like an orange,
Like a ball.
like a ball. Then you dip on an egg. on the bread.
So you went egg, dip it in the egg, and then
Dip on the bread.
on the breadcrumbs.
And make it like, you can make it like ball or you can make long one.
We make them ball.
You make it ball.
And
That's
there you go.
arancini. Arancini
And that's what
Sicilian.
they look like before they're fried, right? Before
Yes.
we fry them. Okay, so now we made the arancinis,
Yeah.
right? They're nice balls like this, so they're really nice like that.
Let it warm it up with the oil
We're
when
gonna
it's very hot.
heat the oil up, and then we take the
Arancini, put it like this, and let it to fry. Yeah,
so almost like a deep fry, right?
yeah.
Beautiful.
And let it to fry.
How long do you let them fry for?
When they got the gold, they have to be
So golden brown.
gold brown. Yeah.
Golden.
The turn it nice, because they're gonna break
Yeah, you have to leave them for a while, and then
Yeah.
you can fry them. Huh?
when they are brown. You turn. Okay, the arancina is ready.
Wow. Look at that, huh?
Yeah.
So you can eat them right away like this, right? Or you
Yeah.
gotta let them stay.
No, let it stay it a little bit.
Nice.
Okay, thank you everybody to watch, and I hope you like it. You're gonna make it the same. That's really Sicilian. My mom she used to make. I
Yeah.
hope you like it. You're gonna do the same.
Thank you,
Okay,
Nonna.
bye. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Thank you. Beautiful.
And that's it. That's how much it takes to make arancini rice balls Sicilian. Thank you, Nonna, for coming down and showing us how to do them today. And remember, everyone, make sure that you subscribe. Give us a subscribe and a like. And make sure leave us a comment if you like. And remember, we also have lots of videos on how to make sausage. That's the one.